What's good, PIP N DIP family? Today I have a different video for y'all. I'm going to be breaking down this weekly outlook just in terms of what I'm looking for in order to enter my trades this week and make my money. So let's get right into it. To start off, I'm mainly trading EU, GU, and gold. So let's just get right into it. You guys know that I like to trade order blocks, and order blocks are found off of these breaks of structure. So you guys can see here, we kind of had this on the hour, this little break of structure right here when we got that solid candle close. And you can see that we would have had this order block because it had the highest wick, and price actually pushes up into it and melts off of that zone, off of that minute 5 order block right there. So now what I'm looking for is maybe a reaction off of here, right? Or even, let's just say we find something starts to latch on better, like let's just say the minute 15. Essentially what I'm looking for in terms of confirmations is for price to make its way up, something like this, stair stepping its way up, and then when it reaches my OB, to create a break of structure, to close in my OB and then create a break of structure, and then that gives me that extra confirmation I need to then look to take my sells down, So essentially I'd be looking for something like this. At that point, I would have my limit set right here with that stop loss right there, and I'd be looking to take this down. That's just an idea of how I would play it. Obviously, I need to stay with this confirmation. If I don't get the confirmation, I'm not going to enter trades. And if you guys watched any of the streams last week, you know that I didn't get my confirmation, I didn't enter the trade, and then like 9 out of 10 times, those ones stopped out. So that's exactly why I stick to my trading plan. The same thing on gold, kind of. Let me just clear this out. Let's hop back on the hour. You guys can see gold makes this really big push down, comes up, and then kind of pushes us even further down. So we could be looking for something in this level here. If this level doesn't hold, I'd still be comfortable looking for confirmations in this level. And also even on the minute 15, if you kind of look, this zone might even hold. I'm just going to be looking just because it's exactly where market's headed to right now. So let's just say on the minute 15, I get something like this, right? Price is making its way up, comes up, closes in my OB and breaks structure. Then I don't mind taking a nice quick scalp, to maybe something here. Just something short term. That's exactly how I do it because, sometimes it takes a while for us to reach those bigger POIs, points of interest, just in case anybody doesn't know. But yeah, so it's the same confirmation I'm looking for in all these zones, which is just essentially when we reach our zones, give me that break of structure, which is my confirmation, and then look to sell off of that. And depending on how high the zone is, that will further help me take my target. Like if I'm playing off of an hour zone, then I can be looking to clear out the liquidity at the bottom of the hour as my target. And so kind of that same thing with GU. Let me just clear this out. You guys can see that GU makes this big push down, essentially based off of this here. This was the highest level we had. And so I'd be looking to go down time frames, refine my order block on there as to something either, something here, because that kind of aligns with both of these order blocks, because it looks like this one closed in there and then broke structure over here. So at that point, I'd be waiting for price to just stair step its way, boom, 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 boom. Right here, it's in the OB and then break structure, and then I'd be looking to take these sells down to just where liquidity is, where I can find an imbalance in the market, just a smart take profit level. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've never dropped one of these, so let me know exactly what you guys think. Maybe I can improve. I'm always looking for ways to improve. Let me know what videos you guys want to see in the comments, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you guys are always up to date. Last week I live streamed every single night. This week I might be out of town, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be live streaming, but if I am in town, I will definitely be live streaming. Next week there will be lives every single day that I'm in town and I see setups. I will be live streaming, so make sure you guys tune into those. I'm going to leave the link in the description to my free and my VIP signals chat, so just stay tuned with us, guys. Peace out.